Dandruff occurs when the scalp becomes dry or greasy and as a result produces white flakes of dead skin. Many people experience dry, itchy or flaky scalp, all of which is not only uncomfortable but can also be quite embarrassing. But guess what? The solution lies in your kitchen. Yes, we are talking DIY hair masks made out of natural ingredients. Well, making a hair mask at home is the easiest way to fight your dandruff problem.
Hello guys, welcome back on the Foodie. I'm Daisy. This hair mask is by Mom's Remedy and it has been in our family for generations.
This mask not only helps you get rid of dandruff and itchy scalp, but also conditions your hair really well. All you need is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it well and apply to the scalp gently. Let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with a mild shampoo. You can apply this mask twice a week for best results.